everyone, I'm Phoebe, representing the Ministry of Energy in Bosnia and Herzegovina. First of all, we can see our Sustainable Development Goals. Our target is that by 2030, enhance international cooperation to facilitate access to clean energy technology, including renewable energy, energy efficiency, and so on. And we can see the background of our country. And there's a picture which shows that in 2024, our country's electricity generation landscape started showed a heavy reliance on fossil fuels, with more than half of its electricity, approximately 63%, generated from coal. And the smaller, the solar and wind energy added to this cleaner mix, with solar just over 2% and wind at slightly more than 1.5%. And moreover, our country has experienced a fluctuation in its generation of the hydropower historically, and it highlights the need for significant improvements and diversification in the green energy sector to reduce the fossil dependence further. So our problem is clear, that is the insufficient development and utilization of clean energy. And what's the reason of that? The coal country, jobs first, energy structure and infrastructure, and the international laws and the cooperation are all the reasons. And these reasons will lead to the environmental pollution, energy inefficiency, and aging infrastructure, the mono-economy coal regions, and so on. As a result, my proposal is to develop the wind power generation. We can upgrade the installed capacity of the wind power station. And all the pictures here tell us the big wind potential in our country. Then you can see these 3 wind farms were the first to build, but we can clearly see that their installed capacity is relatively low. So my objective is that increase each wind farm's installed capacity by 50%, raising them to 72, 75.9, and 54 respectively. And from my perspective, it is highly feasible to implement this proposal. And it is because the energy strategy, which enables the larger turbines, and we received the WBIF investments. So I think the feasibility is high. And our funding consists of 2 parts, the installed cost and the maintenance cost. And the sum of the cost is $91 million. Say that the investment project will develop 3 wind farms in our country, contributing to the country's renewable energy goals and reducing reliance on coal. To increase wind, our target is to increase wind electricity share from 2.4% to 12%, and expected outcomes are power 4 million homes and avoid using our country's grid emission factor. And that's all I want to share today. Thank you.